Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a motor mount. First, gather your essential tools like a floor jack, sturdy jack stands, and a complete socket set. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and securely supported. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical mishaps. Finally, take a moment to locate the specific motor mount you'll be working on, as positions can vary slightly. Now, let's get that engine supported. Place a floor jack with a wood block underneath the oil pan to gently bear the engine's weight. Next, carefully remove any components, such as air intake hoses or brackets, that might be blocking your access to the mount. Once clear, unbolt the old motor mount from both the engine and the chassis. Take a moment to inspect the area for any other signs of wear or damage. With the old mount out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new motor mount into its designated spot, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Hand tighten all the bolts first to avoid cross-threading, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 50 to 60 foot-pounds. Proper alignment is crucial to prevent future vibrations. Double-check all connections to ensure a secure and stable fit. You're almost done. Reinstall any components you removed earlier, like air intake parts or brackets, making sure everything is snug. Next, securely reconnect the negative battery terminal. Carefully lower your vehicle, removing the jack and jack stands. Finally, start the engine and listen closely for any unusual noises or vibrations. Take it for a short test drive to confirm everything feels smooth and stable. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.